Greetings to all learners. On behalf of Indira Gandhi National Open University, Regional Center Delhi 2, we warmly welcome you to this informative session. Are you an MCOM student preparing your MCOP 001 project synopsis? If yes, then this video is just for you. In today's video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the MCOP 001 project synopsis, from selecting the right topic to preparing each section correctly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to write a well-structured synopsis according to the university guidelines. So, let's get started. What is a project synopsis? A project synopsis is a preliminary proposal of your project. It provides a brief overview of your research work before you begin the complete project. It explains what you are going to study, why the study is important, how you will conduct the research, what outcomes you expect from your study. In simple words, a synopsis acts as the blueprint or roadmap for your project. Choosing the right project topic. Selecting the right topic is one of the most important steps. Always choose a topic that is related to commerce or management, is relevant to current business practices, has sufficient authentic information available, allows you to collect primary or secondary data. Some popular project topics include customer satisfaction in digital banking, online consumer behavior, working capital management, human resource management, financial performance analysis, marketing management, digital marketing strategies, consumer buying behavior, financial inclusion, employee performance evaluation. Choose a topic that genuinely interests you, as you'll spend considerable time researching it. Components of a good synopsis. Let's now understand the essential sections of a good synopsis. 1. Title page. The title page should include program name, course code, project title, student name, enrollment number, study center, regional center, project guide details. Ensure that all information is accurate and properly formatted. 2. Introduction. The introduction provides background information about your topic. Explain what your topic is, why you selected it, why it is relevant in today's context, what significance it has for research. Keep the introduction concise, clear, and informative. 3. Statement of the problem. This section identifies the research problem. Clearly describe the issue or challenge your project intends to study. A well-defined research problem helps maintain the focus of your entire project. 4. Objectives of the study. Your objectives should clearly state what you intend to achieve. Generally, 3 to 5 measurable objectives are sufficient. Write them using action words such as to study, to analyze, to evaluate, to examine, to identify. 5. Review of literature. Here, summarize previous research related to your topic. Refer to books, research papers, journals, published reports, authentic academic sources. This section demonstrates that you understand the existing research before conducting your own study. 6. Research methodology. This is one of the most important parts of your synopsis. Include research design, data collection method, sampling technique, sample size, data analysis tools, research procedure. Keep the methodology practical and suitable for your selected topic. 7. Scope and limitations. Mention the scope of your study, the geographical or organizational area covered, the limitations you may encounter during research. Being realistic about limitations enhances the credibility of your work. 8. Chapter scheme. A standard MCOP 001 project generally consists of 5 chapters. Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Review of Literature, Chapter 3 Research Methodology, Chapter 4 Data Analysis and Interpretation. Chapter 5 Findings, Conclusions, and Suggestions. 9. References. Always include references using authentic and reliable sources. Avoid citing random websites. Use books, journals, research papers, government publications, and official reports wherever possible. Important tips. Before submitting your synopsis, remember these important points. Never copy content directly from websites. Write the synopsis in your own words. Maintain clear and simple language. Check grammar, spelling, and formatting carefully. Follow the latest IGNOU project guidelines. Submit your synopsis within the prescribed schedule. Conclusion. Dear learners, a well-prepared synopsis is the first step toward completing your MCOP 001 project successfully. Take enough time to choose an appropriate topic, prepare each section carefully, and ensure that your work is original and well-organized. If you need further guidance, please contact your study center or IGNOU Regional Center Delhi 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the official YouTube channel of IGNOU Regional Center Delhi 2. Stay connected for more academic guidance, admission updates, examination information, and student support videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.